that Kenya region must claim its rightful share of development in the country within the remaining 4 years of this current administration.
Abunge kuma gatagati ka bururi kuga gicigo giki ni gitiganeirio hari ukuria na kuga ni mekuheana mateta mao kuri mutongoria wa bururi. Minister wa mathomo Amina Mohamed kuga kigeranio gia KCPE ni gikwambiriria rucio toria kibangirwo. Ndege ya KQ ya thabari ya imwe kwa imwe kuba kiharo-ini kia JF Kennedy mucini wa New York thabari-ini ya mbere.
When the price now goes above 2300, the price of one packet of unga will go towards 100 shillings. And that could happen within the next 2 weeks.
Na athei ya mutu guku bururi-ini kuga thogora wa mutu ni ukwambatira ihinda-ini ria ciumia igiri nginyanagia ciringi 100 ni thogora wa mbembe kwambatira.